The sixth sum, first subdivision given here. I need to find the truth table for negation of P and negation of Q. So first I want to teach you one thing. Always I am teaching for each and every sum. So this symbol is R, this symbol is R, FF only F, FF only F, remaining all T. This symbol is AND, TT only T, remaining all F. This symbol is conditional, TF only F, remaining all T. This symbol is very easy, positive positive, negative negative. So leave it as it is. First write there is only P and Q. First check it, P and Q. That is only two variables, so 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows. First write P and Q. T, T, F, F. Next next TF, TF, TF and TF. After I start negation of P, next I need to write negation of P, negation of Q. Negation of P, negation of Q. After that negation of P, negation of P and negation of Q. You want to separate properly. What is the negation of P? Opposite of P. If T means I need to write F. If T means I need to write F. If F means I need to write T. F means I write to T. Negation of Q, opposite. T means I need to write F. F means I need to write T. T means I need to write F. F means I need to write T. Now this one indicates FF only F. See, sorry, TT only T. So this one TT only T, remaining all F. TT, TT, TT. There is only one TT. This is TT only T, remaining all F. So I want to see negation of P, negation of Q. For this negation of P, negation of Q, I need to write this one, this structure. This is nothing but AND. TT only T, TT, no TT, TT, no TT, TT. This only TT, T and T. So I write T, remaining all F. So F, F, F and T is the answer. Next second subdivision. See, there is only 1 and 2. There is only two variables, P and Q. So I want to TT, F, F. Next TF, TF. So I written this one. Next what I want to do, this one is nothing but first I written P, so I written Q also. Next I need to write negation of Q. For negation of Q, for this one P and negation of Q. For finally I want to write negation of P and negation of Q. I want to separate properly. Negation of Q, if T means I need to write F. F means I need to write T. T means I need to write F. F means I need to write T. After writing this, see, P, this is P, this side is P, and this one is nothing but what this symbol is AND. AND means TT only T, remaining all F. TT only T, remaining all F. Negation of Q, for P and negation of Q I need to come. P and negation of Q for both this one alone. TT only T, T, no TT. TT, yes, I got T. TT only T, remaining all F. Yes, there is nothing. You want to check it properly, otherwise the answer will be wrong. Check it properly. See, once again I will check. This symbol is nothing but TT only T, remaining all F. So remaining all F means this is P and negation of Q. I need to make for P and negation of Q. P and negation of Q. This TF. TT. TT I write to T. No TT. No TT. So remaining all F. So next. This one I need to make a negation. Negation means opposite. F means T. T means F. F means T. F means T. That's all. For this I need to make a negation. TF, TT. TF, TT. Answer is exactly correct. Next one. See here. Only PQ. Only two variables. So 4 elements. So I want TT, FF. TT, FF. This is TF, TF. So next one. P. This is R statement. R statement F only F. How first I need to separate. This one I can separate negation of Q, but both I need to make AND. See, this is R. P and Q is R. Next negation of Q. For both this bracket I want to make an R. So this one is R. R means FF only F. FF only F. Remaining all T. Next negation of Q. T means F. F means T. T means F. F means T. After that, for both this, what is present here? See, this is R. What is R? For both this, I present R. What is R? FF only F. Remaining all T. FF. 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 There is no FF. See, no FF. No, both are set no F. Remaining all T. So right, all T. If fully T, this is called tautology. Fully T is present, it is called tautology. Fully last table, last table, last column. If last column contains fully T, it is called tautology. Fully F, it is called contradiction. Fully T means tautology. Fully F, the last column, contradiction. Next, I will move towards the last subdivision in this sum. It's very, very difficult sum, but no problem. We need to do no. See, P, Q, R, 3 variables. Therefore, 2Q is nothing but 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I can apply T. First write PQR. Already PQR. TT. This one is FF. This one is FF. Next, TT, FF, TT, FF. Next one, TF, F, TF. After I need to separate. First I need to find negation of P. Negation of P conditional with R. Next I am going to find bicondition of P and Q. Next, this bracket and this bracket with and statement. So now I can start. Negation of P means T means F, T means F, T means F, T means F, F means T, opposite. F means T, F means T, F means T. Next, for both I need to make conditional R. Conditional R means T, F only F, remaining all T. I need to move from P. Negation of P to R. I move from year to year. I want to see from year to year, not from year to year. From year to year I want to see, because condition of P comes first, R comes second. So this condition of P should be T. This should be T and F. TF only is F. See, TF no. I want to first check T. TT no. TF. TF is F. No. TF. This is F. TF and TF. The remaining all I need to put T. That's all. Simply we can find. Remaining all T. After biconditional, P and Q biconditional. What is the biconditional? T. What is TT is T. FF is also F. FF is also T. TT is T. FF is T. FT is F. TF is F. So now we will move. See, for P and Q no. TT is T. TT is T. TF is F. TF is F. FT is F. FT is F. FF is T. FF is T. I told no. If pi condition come, positive, 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 negative is negative, positive, negative is negative, negative to positive is negative, negative to positive is negative, negative, negative is positive, negative, negative is positive. We can see. See, this one, and this one, which is nothing but and. What is my and? And is nothing but TT alone T, and TT alone T, TT alone T, TT alone T, TT alone T, remaining all F. Simply we can do this sum. Therefore, TT, F, 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 T, F. This is the correct answer for this sum.